Welcome back, everybody, to another pie iron cooking video. In fact, this is our first one. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some campfire apple pie. So I have some apple pie filling. I like this filling, but the problem is these slices in here are huge. Alright, when I say huge, they're like quarter cuts of an apple. I can fish one out. Of course, now that the camera's running, nothing goes as planned. Okay, that's how big they are. They're huge. So I took some of them out, diced them up here in my cutting board. Just want them smaller for what we're doing here. Okay, so that's ready to go. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use our cooking spray to get our pie irons ready. We're good to go there. Then I'm going to take some good old-fashioned bread. Take our pie filling. I think I got enough here to do two, and that's fine. Today is July 3rd. Tomorrow is America's Independence Day. It is a huge holiday here in America, and I really enjoy it every year. I don't blow off any fireworks or do anything like that. I just pretty much, me and the cats just kind of chill alone. Alright, so there's our pie filling. Go ahead and put this guy right over that. And when we put the pie iron together, it's gonna bring that all down together. Okay, then we want to remove whatever's sticking out here. Anything you don't remove is just going to burn off, so it ain't that big of a deal. Okay, we're ready to go on the fire. We'll go put this on right over our coals. Get out this over here, because this thing wants to turn. And I'm going to give it about 2.5 minutes on each side, starting now. Well, 2.5 minutes apparently is too long. I have charcoal and pie filling. So let's redo that. Apparently my fire is very hot. This time we're going to do a minute for each side. Hopefully I won't end up with charcoal. I'll bring you back when I'm done. It's a little well done, but a minute each side. Let's get this plated. Have it plated. It popped right out of the pie iron. It didn't stick. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's nice and crisp. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's all steaming. Oh, yeah. All right. We'll pause the camera and let this cool a little bit. Then I'll take a bite out of it so it's not like I'm biting raw lava, and I'll let you know how it tastes. I gave that roughly a minute to cool down. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Oh my God. This totally takes me back to my childhood. So live and learn. Good hot fire, good bed of coals, 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh man. Okay. Thank you for joining me on my first cooking video. I hope to have more. Please hit me up in the comments. And you have a wonderful 4th of July. You, your friends, your family, and be safe. Thank you for watching.